Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with Maths. So today I will be telling you a very interesting and a very nice trick to calculate the HCF of any two number. So let us take a two numbers to be 30 and 24. So the finding the HCF of these two number, 30 and 24. Then take a strip of 30 centimeter like this. This is a strip of 30 centimeter. Okay, and then you have to again the next number, which is 24. So then take a strip of 24 centimeter. So this is the strip of 24 centimeter. Place the both strip together, like you have placed these both strip together like this, and then cut the extra portion. What is the extra portion? This portion is extra. Then cut this. Cut these extra portion. This extra portion was remaining, and when you will find the length of this extra portion, the length of this extra portion is 6 centimeter. Then the 6 is the LCM of 30 and 24. So 6. So it is a very interesting and an easy trick. So now let us try to calculate the number 15 and 5. Then similarly we will take the strip of 15 centimeter, then of 5 centimeter. This is a 5 centimeter strip. Then place them together. Okay. Take out the remaining portion. This is the remaining portion. Cut this remaining portion. This, but if you will see this remaining portion, the length of this remaining portion is 10 centimeter. It is 10 centimeter, but this 10 centimeter is bigger than this. So again we will put this small 5 centimeter and the strip which we had cut. So what we will do, put them together again like this, and then again cut the remaining. When after you will cut the remaining, cut it down, and then you will again get a strip like this. So now the length of these strip is again same. Okay, so first what we did, 15 and 5, we cut the strip which was 10 centimeter, but it was bigger than the number, which was 5. So we again take the strip which we cut, which was of 10 centimeter, and the smaller number, which was 5, and then we again cut it and we got this strip. So now then calculate the length of this strip, which is 5 centimeter, and therefore the LHCF of 5 and 15 is 10. 5 and 15 is 5 centimeter. And now let us do this with another number, which are 20 and 16. So for what to do, we will just take a strip of 20 centimeter and then of 16 centimeter. Place them together like this. Again we will repeat the same. You have done it. Yeah. Then cut the remaining portion like this. So this is the remaining portion. This is the remaining. Okay, so this is the remaining portion. You will get the strip of the same size, and this is the remaining. Then calculated length, it is 4 centimeter. Therefore the HCF of 20 and 16 is 4 centimeter. But in case of 15 centimeter and 5 centimeter, we have to cut the strip twice, because the first it was 15 and 10. When we cut, their size was same after cutting, but the length of the cut strip which we have got was 10 centimeter, and 10 centimeter was bigger than 5 centimeter. So we have to cut them again to get the HCF, which is common to, which is equal or less than the smallest number. We got the HCF as 5. So you have to repeat this activity till you do not get the length of the strip smaller or equal to the is a number, okay, equal to the number. So for example, if we will take 20 and 4 centimeter, we will cut this remaining. What is this? We will cut this, we will get 8 centimeters strip, but it is again bigger than this. No, we will get 16 centimeters, but it is bigger than this. Then we will have to again perform it. Then we have to again cut it. Now after cutting, the length will be 8 centimeter. Then 8 centimeter is again bigger. We have to cut it again. We will get 4 centimeter. The strip is of now of 4 centimeter. So the LCM of 20 and HCF of 20 and 4 is 4 centimeter. So you have to cut it again and again till the time you get the size of the strip to be equal or less than the smaller number. So this is a very easy and interesting trick, and now you can also perform it at your home to calculate the HCF of 24. To calculate HCF of 24 and 20, you can take 28 and 24, and you can also try with 35 and 30 and find their LCM. So if you want to get more interesting magic trick, if you want to know more interesting magic tricks like this, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Fun with Maths.